Hi first grade, Miss Wingard here. Sorry we missed you today in writing on Zoom, but I wanted to share today's lesson with you. So today we talked about a personal narrative. Can you say the word personal? Now say the word narrative. A personal narrative is a true story. It is about you. It is something that you have done or something that happened to you, and it shares that story with other people. So we are going to be working on a personal narrative this week and writing about something fun that you did this summer. I'm going to go ahead and share a few examples of personal narratives with you. So this is a personal narrative that this little girl wrote. She said, "This summer I rode my new pink bike every day. It was a lot of fun." So that is something that she did. It is a true story about her. Let's go to another personal narrative. I went to the park with my friend. We played on the swings. I went really high. It was a lot of fun. Again, this is a personal narrative about these students or these kids. It is something that they did, and they also talked about having a lot of fun. And finally, we planted a garden. We planted tomatoes and peppers. I helped water the plants. It was a lot of work. So this is a personal narrative, a true story about these kids. Now it's your turn. We're going to brainstorm. Go ahead and point to your brains. So when we brainstorm, we come up and we talk about different ideas that we could write about. It's really important to brainstorm before we start writing. So what are some fun things that you did this summer? It says write them in the chat, but after you're done listening, I'm going to ask you to type a few ideas on the Seesaw activity. These are some things that your friends did over the summer, and they shared them during class today. Some people went camping, made s'mores, rode their bike, went to the beach, slept in a tent, cut down a tree, and played softball. So after you're done listening, what are some fun things that you did this summer? You're going to go ahead and put them and type them or write them in the Seesaw activity. Thanks for listening, first grade.